Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of having your camera gear in an organised place, so if you ever needed to shoot urgently, you're ready to go and you won't waste time and you can be the most productive filmmaker possible. Let's get started. The first tip is to have all your camera gear in one place, because the last thing you want is having your camera gear all around a room or all around your house and you have to hunt for all your gear before you can even start shooting, which means you may lose time and lose that creative feel that you were just having, giving you the urge to make that film. The second step is you need to have a dedicated place to put all your camera gear in. I have a wall with drones and cameras on it, and then I have a place where all their boxes and all the chargers are. This is great because the cases are all ready to go, just to pop the drone in and go out the house to shoot. Also, it has places for me to put my cables in, or my weights for my Steadicam, or my ND filters, and all the basic small accessories that you need, but if they were just lying around, you have a much higher chance of forgetting them compared to if they were sitting there waiting to go. So you just got to open that drawer and all your camera gear is waiting for you. Just grab and go, which is one of the best ways to be effective when you're trying to leave the house quickly to shoot, or you need to find that camera equipment as fast as possible. Step 3 is to have good aesthetics to your organizer. Make sure it's all made to fit for the certain things that you want it to go in there, not just random holes where you can put your camera gear in. You should actually try to make it so it's designed for that one particular thing. For example, in my organizer there's holes just for a backpack or just for an Inspire's case, which really helps to keep it more simple, and it's just grab and go and you can see it and it's easy to get it. But also you need to have a good idea of what you want in the first place and how big or how small this organizer has to be, because if you don't have too much camera gear, it doesn't have to be too big. But if you have lots of camera gear, the chance of you getting more is really high, so you could leave a little bit of gap between each of the things that were already in there, so you could put an extra tripod or a new microphone that you get, so you can't restrict it to the exact moment when you made it. You should future-proof it, so when you do get more camera gear, it's ready for you. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful and you saw how I keep my camera gear organised and it inspired you to organise your own gear. If it did, do tag me on Instagram so I can see how you guys organise your camera gear to be the most productive filmmakers possible. Thank you for watching.